Hi FABE, welcome to MaiMoments, the best channel for makeup and hair tutorial and also products review. It's another beautiful day which we are going to do products review. As you see, I barely wear any makeup, so it's definitely going to be a best to try on something. And it's going to save you money and also to see if I like it or not. We are going to try the feather and full brows. And knowing in starting of like 2017, eyebrows is so popular. And if you're going to have eyebrows on fleek, it's like the top notch of makeup. And so I really want to see if this product is worth it or not. I usually wear the Anastasia, NYX, and Morphe. I tried those all, but this one is going to be my first time. And let's go and see what it is inside. So the products included in this packaging, it is the 24 hours brow setters. This one is precisely my brows pencil in number 5. Not sure what is the name of it, but I'm pretty sure it is 1 through 5, I guess. And hopefully the colors is right with my eyebrows colors. This one is Give Me Brows Plus. Then this one, have no idea how to use it, but we are going to figure that out. And this one is Eyebrow Shaper. Okay, so let's get started with the directions. Before I'm going to fill in my eyebrows, it's important that my eyebrows is neat and clean. So I'm going to trim away any unwanted hair. Also pluck away any hair that is not supposed to be there. By the way, I'm using the Tweezer Guru. This is a really good tweezer that I purchased from Amazon. It's able to pick up every string of hair that is usually hard to get. So I do recommend this product. So the first step, you are going to pick which one will fit your face. And I tried straight brows before. I look ridiculous. It's not even cute. And so I'm going to do the arch brows. You do have two look. So let's see which one is going to be closely to mine. And you're using this to place it on. There we go. Work with me now. So I like this arch. Okay. Ooh, I actually enjoy the size of this tip right here because it's ultra fine brows defining pencil, which you can really get a perfect eyebrows off of this. And so let's get started and place this under the eyes. Okay, to tell you the truth, it's so freaking hard to actually have this and try to draw it because not everybody have a similar shape to it, and it's so cloudy. And why and also the word on here can't barely see anything. You have to really concentrate in order to do this. So I see that if you over here trying really hard, maybe you can see a little bit from your left eye, but I'm telling you the truth, it is super hard and this thing keep popping out. I don't see that it's going to break. So I see the purpose of this for beginners if you over here don't know what you're doing, but if you over here know your eyebrow shapes, I don't see the use in this because the word on here is kind of like blocking your view, and also is so cloudy to kind of like if you breathe on your mask and you're wearing glasses, it's all fogged up and you can't see nothing. It's like exactly like this. And so I'm going to try my best just to, and if I was, oh my gosh, okay, no, I don't see the use in this. This is getting me crazy, and I'm going to do it the traditional way. Just go ahead and trace out my eyebrows that I wanted. What I found to be the easiest is outline the base and then gradually build it up as I go. Then I will also draw an outline on the top, making sure that it is nice and precise, and then fill it in. So you're probably wondering, why am I not doing like a feathers like strokes? Well, my eyebrows does not listen to me. It's have their own freedom of eyebrows, which means that it grow everywhere and anywhere. In some spot I need it to grow, it will not grow at all. It literally take me a year in order to make this too symmetrical. And other than that, it was super hard. So I'm just going to find which way better fit for me. I'm pretty sure you have your own way. So just use the method that you usually use and then try to have the products that you're using make it work. And now fill in lightly with the color, especially toward the end, and use the spoolie at the end to blend it out to make the look more natural and also define to fill in any empty spots. If there's any empty spot after you use the spoolie, go ahead and trace over again and repeat the step until you are satisfied. In the process of making a mistake or you want to clean up, you are welcome to use a Q-tips, and also using this toners, it will definitely help you define your eyebrows way better and also efficient. So after trying these products right here, I can claim that it's really easy to use for beginner. If you want a precise looking eyebrows, this is definitely the one for you. And it's also buildable. So if you have scarf or a empty spot that where your eyebrows does not grow, just like me, it can able to fill it in. I do understand if this is not in your budget, I have another products to recommend for you guys. If you try the NYX, it's also a ultra thin eyebrows. It's amazing colors, but just be aware that this does fade off, or also if you accidentally touch your eyebrows, the color will gone like that. So just making sure that whatever fit for you under your budget, that's what you're going to get. But if you're able to become more professional at what you're doing, you're a queen of eyebrows, then I recommend you to use the Anastasia Dip Pomade because it's absolutely amazing. And if you don't have a budget for that, I have another one for you, which is from Morphe. And if you have not checked out the Morphe video, you can definitely check out right here because majority of the makeup is more affordable side. It's similar to like a drugstore and also high-end. So the next products that I'm going to try is Gimme Brows Plus. It is the Brows Volumizing Fiber Gel. I feel like this product is a hybrid between the clear brows gels and also mascara. The reason why I say that because it gives you the volumizing look because it's going to fill up all your brows. And for the gel, it's because it's going to lay your hair in bay and even the wind is not going to blow it away. But by the way, this product is going to be useful for the people that have brows. First of all, for the people that sometimes like me, I don't have the in, so even using this product is kind of useless because first of all, you do need hair on that spot in order for it to work. If you don't, I don't see the purpose for this. But if you over here want to achieving the fullness look, you can definitely use the eyebrows gel for that. Lastly, we are going to use this 24-hour brow setter. Okay. So after we over here making it volumized, we can definitely adding this 24-hour setting gel. Before using the 24 hours brow setter, I do have to give a compliment about this applications because it's different and innovative, and I think it's act like a comb or brushes that can able to get all the clumps out of my eyebrows if I'm over here did not blend in carefully. And let's use this products right now. I really enjoy how it feels against my eyebrows, and I can feel that it's going to target every string of hair that I have in my eyebrows that is very limited, but I think this product is absolutely amazing. If you want to have a snatching eyebrows like Instagrams, you can definitely pair with the Tarte Shape Tape. What I'm using is in the colors light neutral, or if you over here have any kind of concealer, you can definitely use it. I do recommend a shade lighter because the light reflected upon your eyebrows is going to look perfect and also glowing. There's another tool that you definitely want to pair with because it's going to give you a precise edges and cut. If you still don't know how to over here able to achieve amazing eyebrows, you can definitely watch my video. This is teaching you how to get a perfect eyebrows 101. So in conclusion, let's see which one is my moment approved and which one is not. This one here, if you are a beginner to beginner and extremely need help, I think this is going to be beneficial. But first of all, I'm blind as a bat, can't see anything, and using this product is just blocking my eyesight. I think it's a pass for me. And then the Give Me Brows, there is a plus if you have a lot of brows to this. If you barely have any brows, I think that you can definitely skip in here because some people do shave off their eyebrows. If you over here shave off your eyebrows, just go ahead and use the Anastasia Brows Gel for that. So let's move on to the one that is MaiMoments approved. For example, this one right here, Precisely My Brows Pencil. I really enjoy when I use these products because it's super easy for beginner, and also it gives me a very beautiful stroke. It is natural and buildable. So if you want a darker at the end, you can definitely trace it over and over, and it's going to give you a desired look. For the next products that I enjoy and love, it is the 24 Hours Brow Setters. My eyebrows does fly everywhere and it will not lay flat if I did not use something like this. So I think that 2 of these products I would definitely purchase again. Other products is your decision. So I hope you found this video helpful. Also, there's another 2 video waiting for you to click since it's made specially for you. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell for more notifications, and as always, love yourself, stay motivated, peace out.